Hello, I'm Ant Joblin from the Investing Channel and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today's stock in focus is AgEagle Aerial Systems, a provider of drone imagery data analytics for the precision and sustainable agriculture markets. The firm designs, produces, distributes and supports technologically advanced small unmanned aerial systems, or UAVs, that it offers for sale commercially to the precision agriculture industry. The past year has been a fantastic run for the stock, which started 2020 trading at 46 cents per share and in early February this year posted a three-year high at $17.67. That is an incredible 3,600% rally that was sparked off when investors bought into talks that the company could be working with Amazon on a retail delivery drone. These rumours appear to have been sparked by a video posted by the daughter of the founder. Bonitas Research, which incidentally is short the stock, claims to have found no evidence of a major e-commerce customer and claims that insider ownership of AgEagle declined dramatically over the past year. Naturally, that news and the subsequent class action lawsuits led to a collapse in the share price. However, AgEagle came out swinging against the short sellers, saying that it is contractually obliged to not disclose the name of the major e-commerce client it is working with. It added that insider ownership has fallen not because of insiders selling, but because of an increase in shares issued, and added that the founder whose daughter sparked this situation is no longer affiliated with the company, and so cannot be considered an insider. We know Wall Street is paying attention right now as Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, shows that 28 institutional investors made 36 searches over the last 7 days. The most compelling market narratives are often those that blend fact and promise. But what we have here is a binary scenario that will be sorted out in the courts. The share price has fallen from $18 per share to $8, but if AgEagle is the real deal, investors can expect a swift return to the highs. However, if it is found to be a fraud, then there is a long way for the stock to fall. Only time will tell, and investors should be aware of how murky the situation has become. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.